Hi, this is an overview of chapter 4 functions, the first recipe and the second recipe. You will see two projects when you open this one, and then when you go inside the library project, yes, through projects, in the library projects, you will see dependencies and the SDK, it will say .NET Standard Library. And then when you click on this helper CS, you will see two functions there, public two functions, one at one and is0. There will be two functions here, and is usage of the system. And then when you open the program CS on the application, and you will see this function, usage of this function library. And then when you open the dependencies SDK, you will see the projects, yeah. And then the helper class is referenced, and then console, all the application is written down there. Let's try executing it, and then you will see this output. Yeah, the output of the console application. Yeah, that's it. This is the overview of chapter 4, recipe 3 and 4. You will see when you open this solution, you will see two projects. The first one is a REST application, and the second one is the library. When you open the dependencies, you will see the SDK is the .NET Standard Library. And then let's employee CS will show a basic tuple. It has like output of like two strings, a string and an integer. And then let's look this REST application. You will see all these pages and the dependencies under projects. Yeah, if you click on this under projects, you will see the libraries referenced, and then go through the pages. You have the different pages. There will be on the contact us page, the contact page. It has this HTML, this source code CS file. You go the index file, and again the index is. If you now, our code is inside the employee HTML. Inside it, employee HTML, the CS file. You see the reference library, and then you will see the employee class is referenced again. The view data, and the tuple is referenced. Let's execute it. The default browser will load here. You click about and see the about page, and then if you just simply type employee here and press enter, you will see the output of this page, and close it. That's it. This is the overview of chapter 4 delegates. You will see the recipe 5 and 6. When you open this solution, you will see two projects and the console application and the library. When you go the dependencies on the library, you will see this is a .NET Standard Library. And then when you open the calculator class, you will see two public methods that's at two numbers plus and it's count more than 80. And then you will see the link referenced. And when you go back to the console application references, and you will see this library is referenced. And then go back to the program CS, and using directive, you see again the library is inside the code. And then in the code, you will see the usage of this library and calculator is referenced, and the delegate message. You will see a delegate message, and then the scores plus the method for the delegate message. And then when you execute it, it's a console application. The output, yeah, this is 3 scores more than 80. You can always change this array and then test it again.